In this video, I will show how to create multiple pages in a bulk. In this video, I will show how to create multiple pages in just one click. So search this plugin, Bulk Page Creator. Using this plugin, guys, you can create multiple pages in a batch or bulk manner, saving time when initially setting up your WordPress site. So very simple and easy way. Just search and install and activate this plugin. After activation, if you are facing any problem, so comment, I will give a reply very soon. So this is a short and basic video, guys, to learn and to know how to create multiple pages in just few clicks in WordPress website. Thanks for watching.